Does your skin feel dry, irritated, or look older than it should? The problem isn't aging, it's your skin barrier breaking down. The good news? You can repair it naturally, and I'll show you how. Most people think wrinkles, dryness, and sagging skin are just a natural part of aging. But the truth is, it's not just aging, it's skin barrier damage caused by pollution, stress, and harsh skin care routines. Your skin barrier is your skin's natural shield, keeping moisture in and irritants out. But when it gets damaged, your skin becomes dry, sensitive, and starts aging faster. I've helped countless people repair their skin barrier naturally, restoring their glow and reversing dryness and irritation. Today I'll share 3 powerful ways to bring your skin back to life. Secret number 1. Hydration is not just water. You need the right fats. Many people think drinking more water solves dry skin, but without the right healthy fats, your skin can't hold onto moisture. Foods rich in omega-3s, avocado, and nuts nourish your skin from within and restore your skin barrier. Hydrated skin equals plumper, younger looking skin. Secret number 2. Stop using harsh products that strip your skin. Overwashing and using products with alcohols, sulfates, and strong acids can destroy your skin barrier. Switch to gentle pH-balanced cleansers and nourishing ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and copper peptides to help your skin heal. Your skin wants to repair itself. Give it what it needs. Secret number 3. Skin regeneration starts from the inside. Your skin repairs overnight, but only if you're getting the right nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and copper peptides to support collagen production. Eat foods rich in collagen, leafy greens, and antioxidants to fuel your skin's healing process and slow down aging. A bonus tip: reduce sugar and processed foods, which break down collagen and accelerate skin aging. If you're struggling with dry, aging, or irritated skin, your skin barrier might be damaged. Let's fix it together. I offer a free 30-minute consultation where I'll guide you step by step on how to restore your skin naturally. Book your session today.